How to create a local account on Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a local account on Windows 11. Creating a guest account in Windows 11 provides a secure and restricted environment for others to use your computer. A guest account cannot make system-wide changes or install software. So let's start the video. To add guest account on your Windows 11, left-click on your Windows icon, and then click on Settings. Here at the left side of panel, click on Accounts. Now scroll down, and click on Other Users. Now click on Add Account button. Here click on I don't have this person's sign-in information, so click on it. Now click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. In user name, enter the account name for this new guest account. It's recommended to leave password fields empty. Click on Next. A new Windows 11 guest account has been added. This is how you can simply create guest account in Windows 11 operating system. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.